Welcome. Today, we're diving into a fun feature on Discord that can add some flair to your messages. Animated emojis. If you want to enable this feature on your Android device, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. Once the app is loaded, it'll take you to your home screen. Next, look for the U icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Go ahead and tap on it. This will take you to your profile where you can customize your settings. Now, in the top right corner, you'll see a gear icon. Tap on that to access the settings menu. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in the settings, scroll down a bit until you reach the accessibility section. This area contains some helpful features to enhance your Discord experience. Finally, scroll down again until you find the option that says Play Animated Emoji. When you see it, simply toggle the switch to turn it on. And that's it. You've successfully enabled animated emojis on Discord. Now, when you send or receive messages with animated emojis, you'll see them come to life in a way that makes chatting even more enjoyable. Thanks for tuning in. Give it a try and let those emojis animate your conversations. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on Discord and beyond. Happy chatting!